Today I am gonna share you one more indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search inversion fair value gap Lux algo. In the settings of inversion fair value gap, make the ATR multiplier 0.5. Green zone act as a support zone and the red zone act as a resistance zone. This indicator works more accurately when used with the other different indicators like trendline with breakouts, UT bot alerts, etc. This indicator works good in 5 and 15 minutes time frame. When the price touches the green dotted line and the price starts increasing from there, and below that it gives you the green arrow mark, or the price crosses above the green zone, buy the call. When the price touches the red dotted line and the price starts decreasing from there, or the price crosses below the red zone, sell the call. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.